Hello friends, I'm back with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri ma'am. We are going to solve questions from IIT JAM examination. The subject is biotechnology. IIT JAM examination is conducted by IITs every year in the month of February as the entrance examination for MSc. In this channel, we are going to solve the questions from the papers of IIT JAM. Subject is biotechnology. So let's start solving the question. Last time I have given you question which of the following is not involved in eukaryotic translation. This is the question from paper of biotechnology 2017. The question is for 1 mark. This is from section A and it is a MCQ type of question, multiple choice question. So out of these 4 answers, one answer is correct. Option says ribosome is not involved, spliceosome is not involved, mRNA is not involved, or tRNA is not involved in eukaryotic translation. We can have small pause for a while. You can think, write your answer in comment section below. This is my mail ID. You can contact me on this mail. I conduct classes for the preparation of IIT JAM exam and I can guide you online in these regards. Okay, coming back to the question. The question is asking which is not involved in eukaryotic translation. So this is the image. In this, central dogma is shown. We'll discuss right from central dogma. What that central dogma says, it involves replication of DNA. DNA is the genetic material which has ability to replicate itself. It can be transcribed into RNA. The process we call it as a transcription. It can be further translated into protein. So this is a central dogma. Again here, when RNA is reverse transcribed to DNA, the process is known as reverse transcription. Reverse transcriptase is the enzyme involved in this process. This occurs mainly in viruses which contains RNA as its genome. I have taken this image from the link below. If you wish, you can click on this link and go to the image. Yes, here I have another image. This shows us requirements for eukaryotic translation. Basically, for eukaryotic translation, what do we require? First of all, we require mRNA. This is the mRNA which is required for eukaryotic translation. This and this small and large subunit of ribosome. So ribosome is involved in eukaryotic translation and tRNA. This is the tRNA which is having growing polypeptide chain on it. These are made up of amino acid. This is another requirement. So amino acids are also required. You require tRNA, mRNA and ribosome. Small subunit as well as large subunit. So from the question, if we see, the question is giving us options as ribosome. Yes, ribosome is required. mRNA, mRNA is also required. tRNA is another option. tRNA is also required. So the question is asking which is not involved in eukaryotic translation. So the answer must be spliceosome. Spliceosome must be the answer for this question, which is option B. But what is spliceosome, which is not given in this image? So let's understand what is spliceosome. Yes, this is image where we can understand what is spliceosome. See what is the condition. In case of eukaryotic transcription, first there is a formation of pre-mRNA. This pre-mRNA it consists of exons and introns. Exons which get further translated into protein and introns are to be removed before the translation. For this process, the spliceosome is involved. Here, small nuclear RNAs, small nuclear ribonuclear protein are involved to form this spliceosome assembly. Some other proteins are also required and all these combinedly join to the pre-mRNA which cleaves this intron from the mRNA. Here it is shown that cutout intron and spliceosome components are also get released after the introns are spliced out. So here we get the final mRNA which is going for translation. Exon 1 and exon 2. These are joined. See, this is intron which is removed and this exon 1 and exon 2 are joined together to form this mRNA. And now this mRNA will be used for the translation. So we can see here the spliceosome is involved as a post-transcriptional event for the formation of mRNA. See, a spliceosome is a large and complex molecular machine found primarily within the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. The spliceosome is assembled from small nuclear RNAs and approximately 80 proteins. Spliceosome removes introns from a transcribed pre-mRNA. Hence, spliceosomes are not involved in eukaryotic translation. So, the correct answer is option B, that is spliceosome. I hope you understood this question and its explanation very clearly. Yes, here I am giving you next question for my next video. The question is deficiency of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase causes phenylketonuria. Phenylalanine hydroxylase converts phenylalanine to tryptophan, alanine, tyrosine or threonine. These four are the options. This is the question from Biotechnology paper 2020. We'll have discussion about this question in my next video. So you can have time to discuss this question with your friends to find the answer for this question, and you can wait for my video to understand more about this question. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.